Right, so this is a quick test with the standard intake filters. Just sort of try and capture the sound as actually we can before and after. Tried the same location as I did before to get the audio, taking a bit of faff around to try and get it so it's not overpowering the microphone. It might not still be perfect, but it's the best I can really do with the equipment I've got currently. So I'm going to give it another go now. This is with the BMC filters all installed, so hopefully we should get a nice before and after sound difference. First drive, so I've not experienced it yet, I've not heard it yet other than just driving normally. Super light throttle, so this is going to be, fingers crossed it sounds a bit better, but if it doesn't, it's a relatively cheap upgrade and it's something good to do anyway, because you can clean the filters, replace them easily enough. I'd rather have nice clean filters, so for the sake of what it cost, 190 quid, 180 quid area, just get it done, it's no brainer. So I won't be too upset, won't be too sore if it doesn't make a huge difference. But just going off the varying reviews I've heard online, it seems quite a split opinion. Some people say it makes a massive difference, other people say can't really notice any difference, to be fair. So we'll see. As ever, do it yourself, make your own opinion. Let's find out. Definitely hear the difference. Definitely hear the difference. More noticeable than I thought it would be, to be fair, and that's only after one pull. Again, low speeds. Let's see what it's like in second and third gear when I get a bit of space up here. Hopefully I'll be able to put my foot down a bit better. Sometimes we all get excited about exhaust sounds, but induction is just really... Oh, it's good. Hopefully going onto a quiet road now where we can really hear it a bit better. So, you can hear low RPM, a bit deeper, a bit meatier. In fact, quite a bit more than a little bit. It's very noticeable. Just drop it down to there, so we've got a bit of a straight line here. Not much road noise or traffic, as you can hear. So, listen. I'm hoping the camera's picking it up, or the microphone should I say, because it's wildly louder. Again, we'll try it again now. There's a clear run, so we're giving plenty of space. Here we go. Yeah, so basically, well worth doing, no brainer. Definitely adds a bit more volume, a bit more depth to the sound. Addictive. We'll do one last time. Yeah, like it.